Yeah, I've been doing just fine, but baby, that's so mean that I'm feeling inside you and me. There's a difference between a want and a need. Some nights I want more than me. I know that there's a fine line between. It's not what I need, but I want a boyfriend, but I just keep hitting dead ends. Try to take a shortcut, but I get cut again and again. I want a boyfriend.
Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and today I want to take you through my at-home spa day routine. I usually for this like checking into a nice Airbnb with a relaxing jacuzzi and kind of set the whole atmosphere with candles and all that romantic stuff, because for me self-care is all about being romantic. But it's not necessary that you have to do it fancy. You can also do it with just a simple kit right at home, and the one that I'm talking about today is by mCaffeine. This is the Naked and Raw Body Toning and Polishing Kit. mCaffeine has amazing products. I was actually recently introduced to this brand, and they are vegan, cruelty free, PETA certified and FDA approved. So when I was kind of sent these products, I was very excited to try, and I have been using this kit for quite some time, and I'm super excited to show you how the results are on my skin. So first up, we take the body polishing oil. This is great because the packaging is very convenient. It comes in this pump, so you can easily take the amount that you need and spread it all over your body. What I like doing is really massaging it into my skin for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it takes its time to get absorbed into your skin. And this actually has pure Arabica coffee extracts, and we all know coffee reduces cellulite and polishes the body. It also has caffeine, which is rich in antioxidants and also tones the skin. This also has vitamin E, which protects you from sun damage, and it is also important to kind of moisturize your skin to complete the purpose of polishing, and that is done because it has rosehip and sweet almond oil in it, which smells great, and it kind of helps kickstart my spa routine. Then to really get into the exfoliating part of my routine, I will be using step 2, which is the coffee body scrub. This honestly smells so divine. I like massaging this onto my skin. The smell of this is so luxurious and so heavenly. Honestly, the best thing about the scrub is that it ensures that the body is also nourished and moisturized during the exfoliation process, which is kind of something which is very unique to this. And this is also because this has coconut oil in it, which softens the skin. And honestly, the application is kind of fun. Once I have really taken my time in to scrub my entire body with this scrub, I like to just soak myself in the jacuzzi to relax, to unwind, to just kind of find some inner peace. And after this, I also like, just rinsing my hair and giving every inch of my body with the much needed TLC that it deserves. So after I'm kind of done with my time in the jacuzzi, also playing with the water a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, I then come out of the shower and just kind of pat myself dry and use this coffee body lotion. Honestly, if you guys could just smell how amazing this smells through the screen, it would just be amazing, because I would just literally buy this kit for this body lotion. It is so easy to apply, absorbs into your skin very quickly. Just about say 3 to 4 pumps of this lotion is all that you need. It also comes in a easy to use pump, and the great part is that it has shea butter and white water lily extracts along with vitamin C, which helps you protect from sun damage and improves skin health. So whenever I find time, I like to really get into this at-home spa routine, because it really rejuvenates me and I feel like I'm ready to take on a hectic week ahead, because I'm so relaxed after my at-home spa. So I will definitely link all the products that I've used in the video down in the description box, so please do check it out. I highly recommend it. I have already recommended it to a couple of my friends who have come back to me telling me that this has changed their life. So that's why I kind of had to make this video. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.